Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys know, it's about 7:02, and what we're gonna be talking about today, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what kind of EMA is best to use. Me personally, I use two special one. All right, I use the VWAP and the exponential moving average, the 9 exponential moving average. All right, team. What I want to go ahead and share with you guys, it's always good to have a plan in place whenever you're trading, okay? Just like when you're in school, you always got to go home and do your homework, okay? So those are my cheat sheet that I have for myself, okay? So at the end of the day, as you can see, I have some reversal pattern, and also I have what do you call that? The head and shoulder, okay? And just to let you know as well, okay, I have okay, a cheat sheet that has all the fundamentals, okay? The fundamentals have the employee, the revenue, the total cash, total debt, lever, flow, held by institution, and short of flow. Okay, team, at Mr. Full Profit, we analyze every stock every day. This is what we do. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. All this is educational purpose, you know. So you should be doing your own homework as well, okay? So we just like to try to share some information. The way I trade, it's been successful for me so far. I've been a trader for almost 10 years now. So what I'm gonna go ahead and show you, let's talk about a Bitcoin. Because a lot of people haven't been paying attention to Bitcoin, and it seems like Bitcoin is in a great position. But we have to, with the election, we have to make sure that we watch the whole market. Nobody could tell exactly what's going to be happening. But let me go ahead and break down exactly what's happening with you guys with the coins. All right. So go ahead and take some time to analyze. Go ahead and as you can see. This is my monitor, okay? This is my 1 hour chart with a Bitcoin. And the bottom chart, I don't know if you can see it, it's my daily chart. But as you guys can see with the 9 EMA, if you guys pay attention, you could just follow the EMA. Always remember, when you're trading, you have something called the W, okay? New high and lower low. So once it goes below the 9 EMA expansion moving average, you could go ahead and take a position. That's perfect example on the 1 hour. If you would have took Bitcoin on the 7 at 63,304, it would have been 58,886. I'm sorry about that, team. This is my property. I guess somebody just came in. Sorry about the interruption. So this is what we're talking about. And this is up there is my 10-minute. The reason why I use usually 10-minute chart is usually a good chart, because what end up happening is that the 10-minute you could see more. It just, picture this, right? Inside of your body, you have a bunch of testicles. So I need to see everything. At Mr. Full Profit, my job is to analyze everything inside, even the smallest vein. Does that make sense? Because it doesn't matter if it's a bigger vein or smaller intestine, you need everything to complete your functionality in your system, all right? So again, as you guys can see here, right? As you guys can see, this is our main screen monitor that we're gonna be watching right now. It's very interested what the market is gonna be doing on Monday. I'm excited because on we Boeing with the news of 17,000 job loss. That's a big impact. So, but remember, we also have earnings that's gonna be coming out on a lot of earnings that's going to be coming out on Monday as well for the next 2 months. So our job here is to go ahead and make sure that we analyze everything, so that way we give you the best tools and knowledge. All right, now let's discuss the VWAP. I have something here. Okay, I'm gonna use my 10-minute chart. Let me go ahead and send this VWAP for you guys. Sorry about that. Add selected, apply. Okay. This is Apple, but I'm gonna go ahead and put BA. Let's do a breakdown with BA, okay? As you guys can see, when it comes to BA, I use the VWAP as a guidance. Again, I don't do straight with technical, what do you call it? There are so many technicals in there, right? My main goal is to try to understand the candlesticks and the pattern. Once you start learning those, you will know exactly what the market is doing. You won't even need to have all of them. So again, let's go ahead and do a quick breakdown. Okay, the white line is the 9 EMA, and the purple line is the VWAP. All right. So if you're watching clearly, we've been on a downturn. Perfect example. That was like for Friday. Okay, under the 10-minute. Say that you wanted to trade the VWAP with the EMA. All you have to do is that if he's on a downturn, right? Remember, the EMA is under. So now, as long the VWAP is above the EMA or it cross through in the candlestick, then it's a good pattern. Okay? So I know it's a little tough. I really don't like to trade with those EMAs too much. I just follow the guts like a breakout. Let me give you a perfect example without the VWAP, right? Let me just remove study. Let me just remove that. Okay? I'm just going to show you guys the easiest way. Let me just remove that. Just think about it. Say that you wanted to trade Boeing. Okay? You wanted to trade Boeing, is on the downside. That's why I say it's clear to trade without it. All you have to do, just wait for breakout. That was pre-market 920 and 930. New high. So from there, from 146, you could have took that position, right? You could took that position at 146 and ride it to 149. So that's about $3 run. I try to keep my chart simple because again, I don't want to confuse. When you start having too many stuff on your chart, it throw you off. Now you stay unfocused, okay? So again, the discussion was how to use the VWAP and also the EMA. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the definition of it, okay? Sorry about that. What is VWAP? You don't have to remember all those because there are so many things, okay? The VWAP is the volume average price, which is a technical analysis indicator that shows the average price of a security during a trading day. Okay, adjusted for volume. It's a fundamental concept in trading and is used by traders to help determine price and trend value. But team, we already seen, just take a look at it. You already seen the breakout. So without the VWAP or the EMA, if you take your time and understand bullish engulfing candles, the tweezer bottom, and also the hammerhead, there's a lot of those candlestick pattern and indicators that you could follow. Okay, so let's go ahead and stay focused, and we're gonna be talking about more of those technical that you could use as well. Okay, but again, there is no need to stress, because at Mr. Full Profit, like and subscribe. My job is to guide you every day. My job is to deliver some message to you guys, and also some good information. That way, whatever stock, if you have any stock, go ahead and send it to me in my comment, and I'll break it down for you. Okay, in my YouTube comment, go ahead and put it in. Send me that information, and I'm willing to do it for you guys for free. I'm coming up right now with my Patreon soon, so be aware of that. And I'll be giving on a daily basis about 5 stocks. Okay, include ETF breakdown as well before market. All right. So again, thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. We're gonna go ahead and close our Saturday evening. I hope you had a wonderful day, and thank you again. And see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be going over a couple of things. It's regarding to the comments that I received. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. There is a lot of good stuff coming in. Okay, so thank you very much and have a good evening. Thank you.